Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start a smart brain study coaching academy on which we are going to start entrance test preparation and coaching classes. हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव जो होगा इस टेस्ट में इस क्लासेस में इंजीनियरिंग और मेडिकल कोर्सेज को कवर करने की, और ये भी याद रखें कि इसमें हम टेक्निक मुख्तलिफ दिखाएंगे, ट्रैक्स वगैरह जितने भी आपको चाहिए इन टेस्ट के मुतालिक. And try to cover every courses of first year and second year. Try to remember these few topics and that we are going to tell you that in most we have an issue in inside Pakistan and as well India. Some courses have been covered few topics and the remaining is left it on. So we are trying to cover each and every from different books and then cover into a single playlist, put into a single playlist. So try to, now mostly our aim is to cover the universities test for PIAS, ETEA, ECAT and Nast. These are for engineering universities, and for medical we are trying to cover ETEA and N.MDcat, NERMS and Aga Khan and so many others. Okay, and we had made a plan to start first and second year courses of all sciences, and we also tried to cover the art subject, but unfortunately right now we are just covering the 3 subjects. If we get a chance and if we get time, we will also cover physics and the remaining courses because we have a lot of ambitious people who try to teach here in our academy. So that could be enough as an intro, and thank you. If you want to learn, we are welcome to you to join our coaching classes, and